Ain't you tired of not having enough money? I know I felt like that before, for real. I ain't even trying to be funny. That you can't really do nothing when you don't have enough money. And sometimes you'll work hard, you hustle, you do all of that. I've done that. You feel what I'm saying? Made a lot of money, lost a lot of money, made a lot of money, lost a lot of money, make a lot of money. But then you wonder, like, why can't I keep it? Or why does this seem like because I'm hustling so hard, why can't I keep it? Or I'm giving it away, or I'm not spending it, or you saving it, but it just seems like it's just never enough. You feel what I'm saying? Especially if you're an artist, a creative person, or just somebody just trying to get some more money. You feel what I'm saying? It all comes down to the mindset, the paradigm, how you think about money, what the relationship is. You know what I'm saying? You probably heard some stuff like this before, but for real, it's really because you have to really, really, really figure out what the blockages is in your mind. And it took me a while to do that. I had mentors and all that stuff like that, but a lot of the stuff I learned on my own, reading and stuff like that from trial and error. And let me tell you something, once that shit click, it clicks. It's not about how hard you work. And it's not about really what you're doing necessarily. It's really about how you're thinking, because this is the center for everything. So when you get your mind right, manifestation becomes a lot simpler. Some things are going to be really, really easy, and some things take time. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to really believe what you're thinking. But a lot of the times, we don't get what we want, or we get it and we lose it, or we can't manage it, multiply, whatever the case may be. Just like when people win the lottery or get a lump sum, they usually go broke not soon after that, because you're not taught how to manage this money. You get what I'm saying? Or multiply it, or when to sit on it, or where to invest it. You get what I'm saying? I went through all of that. I went through having a lot and then having nothing. I come from a mother who had me when she was 16. My dad was, I don't know, 19. You know, they was different back in the day. But they came from two different sides of the world. You get what I'm saying? And they both had their pros and cons to each one. But what I learned is that it was all about how you saw the money. The relationship that you have with money, that means everything, man. If you don't have a good relationship with money, you're going to always be in lack. If you feel like you have to work hard for money, then you're going to work overly hard for money. You don't always have to work hard for money. There's always going to be some form of work, but you can work smart or you can work hard. I worked hard until I learned how to work smart. And I'm telling you, working smart is way better. Is way better. And I'm not even fucking kidding. Way better. Everything that I've learned, I put into this ebook. I wrote ebooks, back 2016, 2017, so I ain't new to this, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to sell y'all no fluff, no BS, no bullshit, no nothing. Literally have manifested from nothing to living my dreams. Manifesting money that I just wrote down, I'm like, okay. And then I woke up and I'm like, damn, not necessarily overnight. Some things were overnight, some shit took time, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say y'all no bullshit, because a lot of people be lying. I don't lie, you know what I'm saying? Some shit is definitely going to take time. But as long as you're working on this, the attraction is moving. And I'm telling you, everybody's different. It's all about what you're willing to see. And some of the stuff that you see, you may not like to see. But once you get it out and you formulate your mindset, you'll just start attracting stuff without you even trying. You get what I'm saying? I'm telling you from experience. I lived in my car. I had the luxury and I lost it twice. You get what I'm saying? I had 2 cars repossessed. I had to downsize my apartment. One of the times I got evicted out of it, but I was working with celebrities and with all these big name studios and all of that. You feel what I'm saying? But I had eviction notices on my door. I was able to live a very good life, but I didn't know what to do when the money was getting shaky, except go hustle again. I did that. I did the Uber. I did the Lyft, the DoorDash, the Amazon, the roadie, the gigs. I mean, anything you could think of. You feel what I'm saying? I did everything. I mean, I remember sleeping in the car. I remember working at a coffee shop, Dunkin' Donuts. I remember working from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then going to Kroger gas station from 3 to 11 p.m. and then doing Lyft, Uber, background work, all this stuff while I was trying to build my career in the film industry. You feel what I'm saying? It's no joke. It's no joke. So I've done that too when I worked for the government and this, that, and so, and it was enough money, but then it wasn't enough. It just don't make sense. It's just like, it's not built, the system is not built for you to win for real. So when you understand that, and I mean truly understand that, and you know how to get rid of limited beliefs and all those things and formulate a new mindset, you'll look at money differently. And the world is already changing anyway. We got all this other stuff. We got crypto. We got all this stuff that's coming in the woodworks. All the laws is changing. And the last thing that you want to be is stuck in a old mindset, especially about money. And money is not everything, but it's very fucking important, because if you don't got none, it ain't really much you could do. My grandmother used to tell me that. I'd be like, money ain't everything. When I was a teenager, she was like, yeah, but if something happened, you'll have money to do shit. And I'm like, that's true. She was very much spot the fuck on with that. But yeah, if you're tired of being broke, or if you get money but it just never seems to be enough, it's the way you're thinking. I'm telling you, you can go on and on. You can get 3 jobs, 4 jobs, million hustles. You can be a millionaire. But if you don't know how to formulate a relationship with money in your mind, you do dumb shit. Like you spend frivolously, or you let it go, or maybe you don't feel worthy of it, so you feel like you gotta help every person. You feel what I'm saying? These are lessons that you learn. I've learned them as well. You gotta manage your emotions, manage your mind. You feel what I'm saying? I got a background in psychology, background in marketing. I got a background in film, of course. You feel what I'm saying? And I have mentors that taught me this stuff when I was younger, 17, 18, 19, when I wasn't even ready. I felt like I was ready, but they were teaching me stuff, giving me literature, books, and all this stuff. And I got a degree. And I still was coming up short. I saw them $8,000 months, the $10,000 months. But then it was just like, okay, what next? Because you got to spend it. Rent over $1,000 to what, 1,200, 1,500. That's not gonna last too long. You get what I'm saying? So what do I got to do? I had to learn so much shit, and when I learned it, it started to click, and I'm like, damn, oh, it was the way I was thinking the whole time. And I always been a proponent of the mind, but I'm like, look, I gotta get this. Once I got it, man, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. You feel what I'm saying? People just be regurgitating shit and blah, blah, blah. Nah, I put real life shit in here, psychology, and real life stories. You feel what I'm saying? There's science behind all of this. It's going to work for you as long as you work for it. Hard work and hustle, that's not the answer to being rich. You feel what I'm saying? Because you could be rich. You could be rich. You could be wealthy. Rich is not always money, but we're talking about money. But when you're rich in here or you're wealthy in here, you'll always have money. And you'll get what I'm saying once it starts to unlock. Because some of the stuff that you read, you can be like, damn, I put videos in there. I put all these things that helped me in my early journey and led me up to this, including my own. Because you don't want to have to spend $100,000 like I did. You feel what I'm saying? You don't want to have to spend that much money for trial and error. You feel what I'm saying? You want to be able to just open this shit and be like, oh, this. It saves you time. That's what products are for. That's what mentorships is for. That's what all of that. I'm not saying I'm a mentor. I'm just saying I've been doing this. I teach people on a daily basis in my real life. I got the proof. You know what I'm saying? But for real, if you want to change your mindset to start attracting that money and opportunities, because sometimes it's the money that unlocks the opportunity, and sometimes the money unlocks the opportunity. You get what I'm saying? It's vice versa. I hope I said that correctly. But yeah, I'm about to get something to eat. And I just wanted to tap in with y'all and let y'all know, like, hey, I've been there, done that. I seen the good and I seen the bad. I've been up, I've been down. I done lived in the car. I've been homeless. I done been great luxury. And I done lived in the car in the fucking homeless shelter before. You know what I'm saying? So trust me, I get it. I came from the food stamps, this and so, blah, blah, blah. My dad, his style was a little different. Those middle class people. Yes, but I didn't get to benefit that until I went to college. Really, you know what I'm saying? And then that was a different situation because even then I thought, wow, that's it. But no, they were struggling too. They could have did a lot. We could do a little bit more, but it was still a hard working situation. If you don't work, you're not getting it. You feel what I'm saying? I learned so many different ways to get different money, but it started with this. Because if you get money, but your mind is fucked up, it don't matter.